alkyl groups, what exactly are they? If you look at the compound you have on the screen, the longest continuous chain is what is being highlighted or circled, and it is an octane. Anything that is not part of the longest continuous chain is known as a side group. But if a side group happens to have carbon and hydrogen atoms, that side group is not just a normal side group. It's known as an alkyl group. Why is it called an alkyl group? We'll look at it in a second. The first alkyl group we have here is methyl, and this is also methyl, but the third one is ethyl. But how do we come up with the names of the alkyl groups? Look at methyl. Methyl starts off as a methane, and methane is an alkane. So methane is one carbon bonded with 4 hydrogens. But if one of the hydrogens is lost, then it's no more methane, it's now what? Methyl. It's no more methane, it's now what? Methyl. So methyl or alkyl groups, let's put it that way. Alkyl groups are just alkanes with one less hydrogen. So an alkyl group formed from methane is known as methyl. I hope that's clear. Let's look at the next example. This is ethane. 2 carbons bonded with 6 hydrogens. But suppose one of the hydrogen is lost. Then this is no more a methane. It's what? It's no more an ethane. It's now what? Ethyl. So this ethyl is gotten from ethane. So if you look at the ethyl we have on our screen, the side chain, you can count the number of carbons, 1, 2, and 5 hydrogens. Then the side that is sticking out, the dash, shows that it is ready to bond with something else. There are other alkyl groups you should be familiar with, like propane. So propane is an alkane. But suppose one of its hydrogen is lost, there's no more a propane. It has now become an alkyl group called propyl. So you see the trend? So that means we can have hexyl, pentyl, butyl. So basically the idea is, if you know the alkanes and there is one of the alkane with one less hydrogen, then now you have what? An alkyl. Basically that is the idea of what you mean by alkyl. So we have what? An alkane called butane. If it loses one hydrogen, it becomes butyl. Pentane becomes pentyl. So basically this is the idea of what? Alkyl groups. And we need to understand alkyl groups in order to be able to name them in branch chain alkanes, something we'll be considering in our next lesson. See you there.